Let's do my natural everyday fall makeup look. I love this look because it really keeps your skin still looking like skin. I wanted to record this look in natural light today so that you can really see how the skin looks during the day. Starting off with hydration, I'm gonna use the Road Glazing Milk. I love the way that this sits underneath makeup. As a girl with oily skin, it really makes your skin look glowy, not greasy. Next, we need SPF. I found that this is my favorite Supergoop sunscreen for my skin type. This is the Unseen Screen. I'm gonna let that skin prep sit for a couple minutes. That will help prevent any pilling, and I'm just lightly gonna fill in my brows with the Kosas Brow Pop. This is the nano one. I actually skipped brow gel yesterday and I really like the way that they turned out, so I'm gonna do that again. Next, I'm using the Armani Skin Tint. You guys, this stuff is so freaking good. Luminous Silk is one of my favorite foundations, so I was really excited about this launch and it did not disappoint. No surprise here, I'm using the Mario Bronzing Serum. I mean, this is the key to natural looking bronzer. Nothing compares. And I'm gonna switch to a smaller brush and blend out my nose contour. Blush, we're using Toasted Teddy by Rose. This is one of my all-time favorite fall blushes, and I really coat the brush first before applying on the skin. I kind of drag the blush down towards the center of the face and put some on the nose. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hourglass concealer. This is very, very full coverage and heavy duty, so I'm only gonna add just a little bit to the inner corners. I'm just gonna take my sponge and then blend this, drag that across the eye underneath right here. Then I'm gonna close my eye and then take that across the lid. Before I powder anything, I'm gonna go in with the Seichu Freckle Pen. This is super pigmented, so you have to be careful. I just do like one tiny dot at a time and then blend it out. Add a couple just around the cheek right here. What I like to do to blend them out is to take the brush that I did the nose contour with and just go over the nose again one more time. Now we can go ahead and set that concealer with powder. I'm just using the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to take just a very small amount of that powder and just dust it around the rest of my face. I forgot to add this Hourglass blush to the video yesterday. This is Mood Exposure. It's like a really pretty mauve-y blush. For highlight, I actually only used this gold from the Dior Face Glow palette, and I only put it on the nose. Then I just used Powder Melt. This is from One Side. Really just gonna soak all those powders into the skin. Eyes are very simple. It's just this Armani Beauty bronzer. Just put this all over. Next, I'm just taking the Stila Espresso Brown Line, only keeping this on the outer corners. Then with my fingernail, I just flick it out. Then I lift my lid up and then I apply this to the upper lash and a little bit in the inner corner. I just curled my eyelashes. Now I'm adding some of this Lisa Eldridge brown mascara. Lots of questions about the lip combo. I start with the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Lip Stain. I go back and forth and blend that out with my finger. Not gonna lie, this product is kind of hard to work with, but I really like the end result. One of my favorite fall lip oils. This is the Dior lip oil and the shade is Mahogany. Okay guys, here is the final look. It's like an effortless look, but really was a lot of effort. Let me know what you guys think of the routine and if you try it out.